My name is Clive Mono Mukundu. I'm a Zimbabwean guitarist. I started playing guitar at the age of 9, and but professionally I started playing guitar 25 years ago. So I've got 25 years experience, and I'm a session guitarist and a music producer. I'm featured on more than 500 albums as a guitarist. So today we are going to learn part 1 of Chimurenga or Mbira guitar. Some call it Chimurenga, some call it Mbira guitar, but it's one and the same thing. So before we start, you need to know that this is not for beginning guitarists, those who have not played before. It's for people who are already in the field, who can play already. And I can say the major requirements that you need at this stage is you need to know your major chords and your minor chords, and you also need to know your major scale. I know that there are people who made a research long time ago who said that the African music scale is 5 notes only, which is called the pentatonic scale, but that's not true. We have all the notes, all the 8 notes of the major scale in our music. So we're going to start our lesson, Mbira guitar part 1. Let me take you on a brief short journey of the history of this guitar style. It's a style that was started in Zimbabwe. It's purely Zimbabwean by guitarists such as Jonas Tole and Piquet Chiangwa. There's still an argument, or some people say it's Jonas Tole who started the guitar, or some people say it's Piquet Chiangwa. But we are not going to dwell on that today. We are going to dwell on the tutorial. So the first step that you need to know when you are learning Mbira guitar or Chimurenga guitar is the main intervals that we use in this type of music. The main intervals that we use are the fifths, which are these ones. By the way, we are the lesson today, we are doing it in the key of G. So these are our fifths and the fourths. So today we are going to start on the following notes that I'm going to demonstrate in the key of G. These are the basic interval structures of Chimurenga guitar or Mbira guitar in the key of G. Let me play them again. So all the notes that I played are based on the tonic or on the first chord of the song that we are going to do today. The song is based on the chord structure of 1, 4, 1, 5, which is G, C, G, and D. So when you play Chimurenga guitar or Mbira guitar, you need to think rhythmically and melodically. What it means is there are certain rhythms that you are expected to play when you are playing Chimurenga guitar, and there are certain melodies that you are expected to play. So I'm going to demonstrate all the notes that we are going to play on the song, and then I'm going to demonstrate by clapping the rhythms that we are going to use on the song. So on the chord G, we're going to play. Then on the chord C, we are going to play. Then we go back to G. Then we go to D. But rhythmically, we're going to play it like this. I know it might be strange, but that's the only way which I'm figuring out that the only way we can catch it. Let me try it again. So in the context of the song, it's going to sound like this. So I'm going to demonstrate with a song. We know it as Chemtengure. It's an old folk song. There are many different versions of the song. So I'm going to play the same thing that I've been demonstrating right now on a song with a backtrack. That's my own version of Chemtengure. And you might have noticed the change in the sound from to in Western music terms, they call it muting. We have our own Shona name for that. I don't think it's appropriate for me to say it out because some of you might not catch it. But the way you play the technique is you take the palm of your hand, you put it close to the bridge of the guitar, and then the closer or the more you get inside the bridge or the fretboard, the more muted the sound becomes. So if I play it like this, all the strings are sounding bright or sounding undisturbed. But if I put my hand there and then I play, the sound is sounding muted. The strings are sounding muted. So when you play Chimurenga guitar, one basic principle is to mute your strings, especially when the vocalist is singing. So let me play it again. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet you on the second chapter of this series. I hope that this will help you to learn Zimbabwean guitar. Bye-bye.